Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A07. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. If you have put it back after inserting the SIM card, then you should find it here at the cover of the box, because there is here a bit hidden the SIM ejection tool. Yeah, if you don't have it anymore, if you cannot find it, then I recommend to you to use the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have your phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. Enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Anyhow, if you're having one or two SIM cards already, here you will place your microSD card. So just take it and bring it here gently to the end. Press it a bit so that's well inserted. Sometimes you will hear a little click noise. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So as I've said, it works also with two SIM cards. So anyhow, if it's one or two, it only fits like that. And yeah, the contacts they are below. And if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.